Today I'm going to show you guys why I personally decided to get the Apple credit card and if it's worth all the hype. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? It's Gino from Modern Accessory Review, and on this channel I help you guys find the best tech and accessories for yourselves. I'm going to talk about all of the positives and the negatives about the Apple credit card. So let's get straight to it. The Apple credit card is still fairly new and was released August 20th of last year. Getting all of the negatives out of the way first, the Apple credit card doesn't have incredible perks, but they are okay. We get 3% cash back if we were to buy something from Apple, 2% cash back if we were to use Apple Pay, and then only 1% cash back if you were to pay for something that doesn't accept Apple Pay. Which, let's be real here, a lot of the transactions that we are going to have and that we're going to pay for don't accept Apple Pay, so most of the time we're going to get 1%. This is better than nothing. However, there are other cards out there that offer a lot more. For example, the Bank of America Cash Rewards card will give you a free $200 as long as you spend $1,000 within 3 months with their credit card. Since most people spend over $1,000 in 3 months anyways, then they can just put their expenses on the Bank of America Cash Rewards card and then accept the free $200. This card also offers 3% cash back on gas, 2% at grocery stores, and 1% with all other purchases. I do believe Apple missed a huge opportunity to reach a larger market because they could have offered some sort of cash bonus when you spend a certain amount with their card. Now, there are 3 main reasons that I got this card for myself, so let's dive into the clip from Apple and see exactly why. First of all, I really like how Apple makes tracking all of your expenses super easy. They have everything right there in the Wallet app on your iPhone, which makes it super accessible and easy to use. They even have maps just in case you forget where a certain transaction came from, and all of your cash back goes straight to your Apple Cash card, which is really cool. They also allow you to easily pay off your balance while showing you how much interest you'll pay. Of course, in my opinion, I believe that you should just pay for everything in full when it's due so that you don't have to worry about interest. Now, the second reason I got this card is because it's completely free and doesn't have any fees whatsoever. There aren't even any foreign transaction fees. A lot of credit cards these days have some sort of fee, whether it's an annual fee or a transaction fee, so it's really cool that Apple is giving us something that is completely free to use. Now, the third reason I got this card is, well, it's just really cool, as you can see here. The fact that there aren't any numbers on the card at all, and on top of that, it's made out of titanium, which really appeals to millennials so they can use their Apple card to buy their daily iced oat milk honey latte with a splash of cream stirred lightly from Starbucks. Oh yeah, and don't forget about the 3 pumps of vanilla. But jokes aside, I do believe that Apple did an incredible job with the layout and overall design of the card. I think a ton of people are going to get the card just because it's Apple and it looks cool. Now, this is also cool to have because if you have any questions, then you can just send a text straight through the Wallet app and Apple will respond, probably with a robot, of course. So overall, here are my thoughts on the Apple credit card. In terms of perks and benefits, there are many other cards that offer more. The Apple card doesn't have any rewards and they just give you some cash back. For someone out there who is looking for the best of the best when it comes to bonuses, then this probably isn't the card for them. However, if you are someone who really likes Apple and is fine with what it does have to offer, then you will probably enjoy your titanium Apple credit card. I wouldn't be surprised if this starts a whole wave of credit cards that don't have numbers and are really unique. I think a lot of people, including myself, will just look at this card and say, man, this thing looks really dope and is completely free and has okay cash back. So for those reasons, I'm going to get the Apple credit card. It would have been nice if Apple could have offered some rewards though. Like literally anything is better than nothing. They could have said, hey, spend this much with our Apple card and we will give you $100 or $200 for your next Apple purchase, which would have been really cool. Because of this, I think Apple really missed out on a big opportunity to attract more people. Let me know what you guys think about the Apple credit card in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button. With all of that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.